Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today's going to be a fun video, but it's going to be a very fast video. I have one of my brand new tins here. This is the Detroit Slim Pizza Pan, and this is by LloydPans. And I'll put all of the information to this really nice pan down underneath the video in the description box. So I've got some of my chocolate cake batter here, and what I want to do is I'm going to bake a little cake with it. So I think this is going to be really fun. If you want to watch the recipe where I make this chocolate cake batter, I'll put it down underneath the video in the description box. Just get that in here. I thought it would be fun to try out my new pan with some cake batter. I think it's going to be kind of cool. I've got to be careful because I don't want to put it too high. I want to go up about 3/4. I think I could go a little bit more. But I don't want to chance any more than that. I think that looks pretty good. I've just got a little bit left here, which I'm just going to do in another little container off camera. I think that looks good. So we'll get this on here. And now I'm going to bake it, and then I'll be back. Hey everybody, I am back. Look at my cake. It looks amazing. I baked that for exactly 20 minutes in my 350 degree Fahrenheit oven, and that's about 176 degrees Celsius. So right now this is extremely hot. I'm going to let it sit here for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'm going to remove it, and then I'll come back and we'll finish off the video. This smells amazing, and look at that, a really nice rise on that. If I can just tilt that up a little bit, you can see, look at that. Very, very nice. That is a really nice looking cake. So let's remove this. This is cool enough. I want to make sure that I don't break the cake. Let's flip it upside down. And let's see how easily it comes out of here. Oh, nice. Look at that. Perfect. I'm super happy with this pan. Wow, that's nice. And what a cute little cake. Let's flip that over. Oh, it looks nice. Okay. So I'm just going to let that cool, and then I'll come back and cut it. Alright. It is cool enough. Now let's give a little slice and see how it is inside. Oh, look at that. That's nice, and maybe one more. Oh yeah. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Look at that. Oh, so nice. So this wasn't much of a recipe. If you want to see the recipe for the actual cake batter, check the link underneath this video in the description box. But this was more for a nice little video with these neat little pans. So these are for pizza, but you can use them for anything. And I just wanted to do a cute little chocolate cake with the new pan. So that looks awesome. I'm just gonna, of course, go in for a little bite just to finish off my video. Very, very good. Oh, I love chocolate cake. And a little bit of a summary. So I took the cake batter up to about 3/4 on the pan, and I did it for 20 minutes. So that's it for this video. I had a really fun time making it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and if you're on Facebook, I'm also over there at BakeLikeAPro. All of the information for this pan, I will put it down in the description box underneath the video. So that's it for today. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. And I am going in for another little bite. Oh, that is so good. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.